Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Mills, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I do my knotless box braids with red curly ends. I will be showing you guys all the products that I will be using and my step-by-step process on how I achieve this look. If you would like to see my process on these knotless braids, stay tuned in until the end of the video.
Can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping, your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home.
When parting your hair yourself, sometimes it can be a little challenging. For me, I have been doing it for years, so sometimes it's a little easier than other times for me. So I'll be using this Edge Booster Edge Gel to clean up all my parts and also to plumb my hair for a clean braid.
It's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love.
So when starting my knotless braids, I braid my natural hair about 4 times, then I get a piece of braiding hair and grab it with my pointer finger, putting it under my natural hair. Then I start braiding down a few times, then I grab another piece of hair extensions, grabbing it with my pointer finger again while holding all the hair in place with my hand. I'll then braid it down a few times again, and so on and so forth, depending on how long you want your braid to be.
Used to know if you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better
This is the
days.
free trees hair that I would be using to add to the end of my braid for the curly look. Each section of the curly hair, I just run my fingers through it, you know, to comb out the tangles and separate it because I don't want it to be too thick at the end. And when you add it, you want to add it to the back of the braid and just slowly start braiding the hair down. While doing so, just continue to grab a piece of hair from each side to ensure that the curly hair stays in place. And to seal it all together, I use a little nail glue, rub it together, and that's it.
Ready, 'cause I made reservations, too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away. I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. Stormy skies and fireworks. Yeah. But I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Oh, yeah, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. And you know it's true. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this video was truly helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also turn on your notifications so you'll know the next time I post my next video. Until next time, see you in my next video.